Hey, I'm Michael Deere with Watkins Construction and Roofing. This is a repair job that we're doing today, and where we're going to replace the chimney flashing. A customer called us out, had a leak around the chimney. We did a thorough inspection and deemed that this particular flashing kit needed to be replaced. So we want to go step by step on exactly what that looks like. This is the chimney here. We're going to start off. Our crew is going to tear off all the shingles around the perimeter of this chimney here. The next step is going to be they're going to take off all the old metal. All the old chimney flashing metal is going to come all the way off. After we take the flashing off, we're going to do an inspection of the deck. The decking is the wood that everything is secured to, so we want to make sure that all that decking is in great condition. And when we replace that decking, we're going to use the exact type and size. So that's very, very important that we use the same type and size. So after we replace that decking, we're going to put down a peel and stick membrane called ice and water shield. It's got a thin plastic paper-like substance on the back. You peel it off, it's sticky. It gets even stickier when it's hot, and we're going to fully adhere that to the deck. And we're also going to run it up the bricks here a couple of inches. That way, by some chance that something were to fail, we would have a second layer of defense around this chimney. So once we put that ice and water shield down, it's time to put the new flashing in. We generally use a pre-painted brown aluminum flashing. You know, this particular flashing has galvanized on it. Galvanized metal is prone to rusting, so we like to go with a more durable product, and by using a brown color, it also simulates an oxidized copper product. The steps of installing this flashing are in sequence. You always start at the bottom. We're going to put our apron flashing installed here at the bottom, and then we're going to do our roof to wall pieces on the sides. We'll start right here at the corner and go up a good 12 inches past the corner of this chimney here, and then we'll install our cricket in the back. And then after we do that, we start at the bottom and we start counter flashing our apron. We're gonna step flash our roof to wall on the sides, and then we'll counter flash the top side of that cricket in the rear. So once we have our chimney flashing installed, we're going to take Geoseal, which is a tri-polymer sealant that comes in a tube, and we're going to caulk the top of all of our counter flashing and any kind of exposed nails. So that's a very important piece to this. We actually use it a lot before we put our counter flashing on, sealing the tops of the apron, sealing the tops of the roof to wall, but we also finish out the tops of the flashing after the fact. So it's like double sealed. And then after we get all of our chimney flashing on, then we install the shingles. So we're always going to match the same type, and depending on the age of the roof, the color should be pretty close as well. Sometimes there's issues on matching because you know, there's algae on the roof. So we try really hard to get the same color and type of shingle going back. We'll always get the same type, but the color could vary a little bit just depending on the age of the roof. From start to finish, that's what it looks like for Watkins Construction to replace your chimney flashing kit around, you know, a brick chimney. So hope this was helpful. If you need anything else from us, you can call us at 601-966-8233, or you could visit our website, www.watkinsconstructioninc.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.